Hey guys, it's Robert again. I want to say thanks for watching this channel. And today we're going to be talking about something I got for the kids. This is my oldest son, Jesse. And what did we get for you?
A drone.
I got a drone. So what kind of drone do you think it is?
It's a Tello.
From DJI. It's actually distributed by DJI, but it's by Ryze, I think is the name of it. So let's go ahead and unbox this guy. Go ahead and get out the box. That is Tello. That sucker's tiny, huh, Jesse?
Yeah, does that have a charger inside?
I mean, this thing's, I don't know, 3 inches, if that, the body. So again, it's a Tello it's $99.99. I'll put the link where I got it from. It's a Tello. It's got Intel, it says inside, so it's a little tiny little computer dealy. It's all in one. It doesn't have any remote, so you're gonna use your phone, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's got 720p.
And also you can use this different remote.
Yeah,
too.
you could get a different remote contror, hub, extra parts. So it's pretty cool.
Phone too.
So take out the box for me, Jess.
I'm gonna open this wrap out. Wrap out.
So it comes all assembled already, right?
Yeah, it comes with the camera.
So where's the camera?
The camera's right there.
Right there in front. Where's the battery?
The battery's inside.
I don't think so. Look.
You have to put a battery inside.
I think the battery's in here. So we gotta open up this side.
I think I don't see it.
It's on this side, Jesse, I think.
Default.
So it's already assembled. Propellers do not bend or fold. So that's the eject or power button looks like right here. So there's a micro USB is where you're gonna charge it. And it doesn't come with it.
It doesn't come with it, so it's that way.
And it's that way. So it pops in.
Pops in.
I don't see any button except this one. I'm not reading the instructions. I should, but I'm not. Hi, Jonah.
I like a small one.
So it's flashing. So I did find a battery, but it probably needs some kind of pairing. So you need to read instructions to really understand what to do next.
There's extra blades.
Oh, it does have extra blades?
Yeah.
Cool.
In case these blades broke, Dad. In case these blades broke, Dad.
So I'm just turning this off. Right. So in this case they break. So what do you get with this, Jesse? You get the Tello.
I get the Tello,
the
battery pack, and the extra blades in case blades are broken.
And that's all we get. And the instruction manual, right?
Too. Yeah.
Okay. So I want to compare it to the Mavic Pro. As you can see, this is a $100 camera drone. This is a $1,000 camera drone. So you're going to expect a difference in performance, right, Jesse?
Yeah. We're going to fly drones both together.
So the next thing we got to do, Jesse, is what we're going to do.
Test it out to make sure it works.
We're going to test it out and compare it, right?
Yeah.
So look at the differences. Look how tiny.
Mine's is tinier to fly a drone.
Is.
Mine.
Right, Jonah?
This is my
bigger. This is my drone too.
This is just a quick unboxing, quick comparo between the drones. I definitely didn't want them to be flying my big drone. I think this little drone with the little protectors will be safer and a good learning tool. Once he gets better with it, I'll definitely let him upgrade with that. And then Jonah can go ahead and play with this and learn from there. So again, you want to fly this later?
Yes.
Okay, cool. There it is.
Are you going to get it?
We got to get the Tello drone.
You have to enter the password too.
The Ryze. So install it.
It's Ryze right here.
Okay, now we open.
3, 2,
1.